Greetings again. I am Arthur Phillip Dent the 21st, the last and latest surviving member of the great man's family, here with another bit of information and thought about what science calls evolution. Since paleontologists and geophysicists don't talk much with particle physicists about their favorite topics, there is a shared body of misinformation about the probable dates for the deposition of various mineral strata. Misinformation that conveniently ignores the simple fact that radioactive decay models used therein are based on linear rather than exponential equations. As a stimulus to your own search for truth and growth of convictions, let me suggest to you that once upon a time all of the lead and bismuth on and in the earth, and there is a whopping lot of these minerals overall, was uranium and its relatively long-lived sisters. That means both the amount and comparative proportions of radioactive materials were fantastically greater in the past. Consider that a lot of volcanic activity today is still attributed to radioactive hotspots in the Earth's crust, and realize that those intensely radioactive and enormous generators of heat areas are merely remnants of what must have been widespread ancient deposits, and you might come to suspect, as I have, that current models of guesstimating the Earth's age are off by exponential amounts. Once you've eliminated the great age attributed to the Earth as an enabling factor in theories of evolution, you also cancel out statistics as a means and mechanism for explaining species radiation and mutation. Since evolutionary theory is entirely supported on the two-legged stool of ancient age and natural selection, it thus falls to the ground and stays there forevermore. Allow me, therefore, to offer another suggestion, a sort of nail in the coffin. What happens to the progressive evolution of species after a major bolide event? All such theories and ideas ignore the inherently accepted timeline of a series of percussive interruptions of the ancient process by which we've ended up with the biosphere we live in today. All other processes are notional, when 90 to 99% of all life on Earth disappears without regard to adaptation, mutation, and/or evolution, no matter whether it's due to asteroid impact, extraordinary volcanism, solar fluctuation, or some as yet unplumbed mechanism. This staccato rinse and repeat has a negative effect on an established biosphere, and the time between the various types of extinction leaves little time for the extraordinary radiation of species seen afterward, at least as the record is interpreted today. And thank you for your polite response. I eagerly anticipate your contribution to this discussion.